Hey crafters, welcome back to my channel Because I'm Crafty. My name's Caitlin and today we are celebrating International Sewing Community Day. So after the Smiley Challenge, Hattie and Athena came together to create International Sewing Community Day, and I just wanted to read a little bit from her Instagram post because it was so cute and really heartfelt and you can just feel the love from the community. So I'm just going to read a little bit from her post so that you know what today is all about. So I will post a little logo for today's day up here, but it says, "Hello lovely stitchers. First of all, a big thanks for your participation in our hashtag Smiley 2018 challenge. You have made this pragmatic German melt away with your honesty, empathy, and kindness, and of course with your incredible makes." I'm just going to skip a bit here. As Athena and I want the Smiley spirit to live on, we have something equally big coming up, and it is amazing, so get prepared. We hereby invite you to celebrate this community and our beloved craft by joining in International Sewing Community Day 2018 or hashtag ISCD 2018, a holiday we have created especially to honor this community and the craft that has brought us all together. So get your sewing machines ready because we want you to sew yourself a party outfit. Upload it to social media channel of your choice and tell us what this community means to you. As we want this to be our day, we would only like to be coordinators for this one and instead invite all of you as ambassadors to spread the word about this celebration. So then she had a little bit more to write here, so check out her Instagram and check out Athena's as well. I'm pretty sure she posted a very similar post. So today is International Sewing Community Day. Use the hashtag ISCD 2018 and you can share the logo in your make if you did participate in today's day. So first off, I just want to say that I stepped out of my comfort zone for this outfit, and along with that it was a very long struggle to create this outfit. I'm not sure why it was so difficult, but in my head I had this vision of a top and pants. Some very fancy pants, and those pants, for the life of me, I could not get to fit me properly. I don't know what it was. Once I finally got the back to look okay, in the butt area, the front started to look weird again, and it was just a mess. So I gave up on the pants, turned the top that I had cut out into a dress, and so that's how I came out with this party outfit. And the other thing I wanted to mention was that this very slightly revealing front is definitely out of my comfort zone, and I felt okay doing that this time, one, to challenge myself, and two, because of the sewing community. As Hattie and Athena had in that post, they wanted you to talk about what this community meant to you. And I think after seeing everyone come together with Smiley, which was so incredibly amazing to see everyone share their stories and support each other, I just think I kind of didn't realize quite as much before how amazing the sewing community was and how much we can come together to support and love one another. And you know, I always see so many questions on Facebook and Instagram, you know, how did you do this, or how do you do this with your machine? My machine's doing this crazy thing, how do I fix it? And there's always someone there to give advice or help you. So I'm really proud of this community. I'm proud to be getting more involved, and I'm so happy to see that Athena and Hattie have come up with this day to carry on the spirit of Smiley. I think it was an amazing idea, and I hope that you guys participate, and if you weren't able to participate today, participate at a later date and post it on social media, because we want this to go on for as long as we can into the future, because I think it's an amazing initiative. And on top of that, Hattie and Athena have also created Smiley Magazine, and I believe it's supposed to come out with a free pattern in each issue, so keep a lookout for that. I will post any information I can in the info box below. I don't believe it's out quite yet. It will be coming out soon, so keep your eyes out and just keep supporting one another and loving everyone's Instagram posts and videos. And yeah, I think this community is really amazing, and I'm so thankful for you guys for supporting me, and yeah, so thank you. So I'm going to show you guys my outfit. As I did mention a few minutes ago, this is a little bit revealing. It's certainly out of my comfort zone, but like I said, I did feel a little bit more comfortable doing it, specifically because of what this day was created for and what it means. And so yeah, I'm going to show you how I put this together. So I hope you guys can see me okay here. I will post some pictures on Instagram as well, some full shots. But this is my full dress in all of its glory. This was an interesting journey to creating this outfit because I had originally wanted a shirt, and as you can see here, I'll just pull this up. This was originally where I cut it, and I cut it longer because I wasn't sure where I wanted it to sit. And so when I decided that the pants weren't going to work with this as a top, and just in general, because I just really was not happy with how I was going along with them and how they were being finished, so I decided to turn this into a dress. So because that length was going to be way too short, if I sat down my bum would be like totally out. I added a short little band underneath and the lace, and this lace is actually like in yardage. It's not a trim. I just cut it off following the edge of these kind of fringy pieces. So it does look like a trim because the fringe is basically finished, and yeah, I thought it was really cute. I needed some way to kind of pull in the kind of see-through look with the lace and the mesh. I didn't want to add mesh to the bottom because that's not very kind of decorative or very pretty. So I went with that, and yeah, this is a bit revealing, but I kind of like how it all came together since it is kind of higher in the neck and my arms are covered. I don't feel as all out there with just this, so I think it turned out really well. I did use my Slim Fit Raglan pattern from Patterns for Pirates. I've made so many of those by now. I just basically followed the pattern to about the waist-ish area, and then I just kind of made it go out. So it goes out to about here, and I did have it wider, and it just looked too big. It looked more nightgown-ish, so I did slim it in a bit, so it does look more straight down, but it does have some flow to it. I'll show you guys the back. That. And yeah, I don't know, I'm super happy with how it turned out. I really love pairing it with these boots because they have the fringe on them as well. Hopefully you guys can see that. But I'll post more pictures on Instagram and stuff like that. And I did wear my sewing machine earrings just because I think they're very appropriate for today's day. But yeah, this definitely gives me an excuse to go out, and I can proudly say that I made it, because a lot of people always ask me when I'm out, did you make what you're wearing? Especially if they know me and they know I'm a sewer, but I always have to say no, and this is like, I'm totally proud of saying that I made this. I think it turned out really well, especially since I wasn't sure as I was making it. It wasn't really a smooth process, so I'm super happy with how it turned out, and I actually can't wait to go out and wear it. So I really hope that you guys find some sort of an excuse to celebrate today, whether that's just sitting down at your sewing machine for a few minutes or maybe sharing a cocktail or two. Today is really an amazing day to support one another and just be happy for this community and share the love. So make sure to go on social media and use the hashtag, share the logo photo, share your makes, and give some love to everyone in the community. So if you guys enjoyed my dress, you can check out some more pictures on Instagram. I'm going to be showing a little bit more detailed shots. If you have been following me already, you did see a sneak peek of this already. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Make sure to share this video as well so more people know about International Sewing Community Day. And subscribe before you leave so you don't miss out on any future videos. I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Make sure to share the love, and I'll see you next time, crafters. Bye!